Understanding crowd dynamics is vital to our modern society. At D&T, our specialist team developed a software to study crowd dynamics. Introducing Simugens, a software tool for the simulation of the crowd dynamics, entirely developed by D&T Shrale Division, capable of realistically simulate the behavior of individuals. With the COVID-19 outbreak, we all feel as though we are in uncharted territory. The world is a different place now, with rapidly changing and sometimes overwhelming information and recommendations. For facility managers, commercial spaces, exhibition areas, hospitals, fitness centers, malls, and so on, the question on everyone's mind is the same. What can we do to get our people back into our spaces safely? Following this outbreak of COVID-19 virus, Simugens has been expanded with a set of functionalities focused on the dynamics of the infections in delimited areas, and as a consequence, the evaluation of possible mitigation solutions, or even better, to avoid any possibility of infection. Simugens Infections can be used in all the situations with regard to flows of people with an increased risk of infection and contamination. Simugens Infections simulates in delimited areas individual infections based on people, distance, and exposure time, as well as infective objects or surfaces, calculating infection rates over time. The Simugens function for infection simulation include infection percent for simulated populations, infection exposure time and distance, modeling of immune and infected people, modeling of infected objects and areas. Simugens simulation can assess infection rates for modeled areas under as function of infection parameters, people density and flows, allowing the evaluation of mitigation solutions such as crowd separation, segregation, distribution, flow management, and limitations. The business model that we use for Simugens is known as software as a service, so there is no distribution and no licensing. We provide our simulations as a service. For more information, visit www.shrale.eu. Email dt.marketing@databtech.net.